Here we divide 473 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting it is 0. We put down this 7 and 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting it is 1. Again we put down this 3 and it is 13. So 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside to put it down. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 473 divided by 2 is 236 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.